what I did is I blanched some spinach. And I'm going to make a little spinach and artichoke sort of stuffing. Oh, yeah. It's a big fancy show here. So, what we're going to do to start with here, we'll start with a little olive oil. And what we'll do then is we're going to start with some onion. Now, a little salt. Now what we're going to do is add the artichokes. We're going to add the spinach that I blanched and then I squeezed all the water out of it. Then you got to have some garlic in there too, right? Oh yeah, babe. All right, now what we're going to do, now that this is warming this up, I'm going to add a little bit of Italian essence in here. Now, in the bowl right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk a couple of eggs first. And then I'm going to add a little chicken stock or chicken broth. I'm going to add a little whipping cream. Some Parmesan cheese. Fresh parsley. Good things, I did that. Now Hilda's happy. And then watch this, guys. We're going to take and add, for a little acidity, the juice of a lemon to get a little acidity in there. If you don't want to do that, you could use balsamic vinegar too, or red wine vinegar, champagne vinegar. You know, the vinegar family, basically. You could, a little acidity in there. Then, we add the bread, the stale bread. I'm going for it, babe. Right. I'm going for it. So here's the key. You got to let this sort of absorb a little bit, all right? You got to let it absorb. So I like to do that. While that's doing that, so that I get it like another direction here, I take the artichoke and spinach mixture. Well, if they're going to get all absorbed, they might as well get absorbed together. Because let's face it, folks, we're all in this together. Now, here's a little secret. Shh. While this is absorbing, because we're going to fold this over in a second, I get brie cheese. Now, I take the brie cheese like this. We're going to fold it, and I got a casserole that I've buttered. Going to fold it all in, put it in the casserole, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, and we're going to bake that for about an hour at 350 degrees. We've got that delicious artichoke and spinach dressing. We're going to start dressing our table up right here. You see? We're going to just start putting the dressing right here. See how it's all nice and ooey gooey like that? You got that, Jay? If you get a shot this year, please get this one. Please.